Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success and wealth effortlessly, while others struggle? It's not about luck, talent, or even working the longest hours. The secret is much simpler, and it applies to every industry, every career, and every generation. It's this: money flows to people who solve problems. The world doesn't just reward you for your time. It rewards you for the value you create. And real value comes from solving a problem someone else has. Think about it. Doctors solve our health problems. Engineers build solutions to technical challenges. Teachers help us overcome the problem of not knowing. Entrepreneurs find solutions for gaps in the market. Even content creators like me solve problems, whether it's the problem of boredom or the need for information. The simple truth is, the bigger the problem you solve, the more value you create, and the greater the reward you can expect. This isn't just a feel-good motivational quote. It's a practical formula for success. In a world full of competition, just being average isn't enough to get ahead. But if you position yourself as a problem solver, you immediately become indispensable. Companies fight to keep employees who can fix things and find solutions. Customers are loyal to businesses that make their lives easier. Leaders place their trust in people who can navigate challenges. When you build a reputation as the go-to person for solutions, you're no longer just another employee or another business, you're essential. Your ability to solve problems becomes your ultimate job security and your path to promotion. You know, it's a common misconception that money follows talent. We all know incredibly talented people artists, writers who are struggling financially. Why is that? It is often because they have connected their talent to solving a problem that people are willing to pay for. On the other hand, you see people with seemingly ordinary skills who achieve massive success. The difference isn't their raw talent, it's their ability to apply what they know to solve a real-world issue. They're not necessarily the smartest or the most gifted, but they are the most effective at using their skills to help others. They understand that success isn't about what you can do, it's about what you can do for someone else. The best part about all of this is that problem solving isn't some innate gift you're reborn with. It's a skill, and like any skill, you can learn and master it. It all starts with a shift in your mindset. First, get curious. Instead of accepting things as they are, start asking questions. Why does this work this way? Is there a better method? How could this be improved? Curiosity is the engine of innovation. Second, listen actively to what people are complaining about. Every complaint, every frustration, every "I wish there was a way to" is an opportunity in disguise. It's a signpost pointing directly to a problem that needs a solution. Your next big idea could be hidden in someone else's everyday frustration. Once you've identified a problem, it's time to think creatively. Don't get stuck on finding the one perfect solution. Brainstorm. Explore different angles. The most obvious answer isn't always the best one. Sometimes, the most groundbreaking solutions come from combining ideas or looking at the problem from a completely new perspective. And most importantly, take initiative. Don't wait for someone to ask you to solve a problem. If you see something that's broken, inefficient, or could be improved, step up and take ownership. Proactive problem solvers are the ones who get noticed and promoted. They don't wait for permission to add value. They just do it. And finally, never stop learning and adapting. Every problem you tackle, whether you succeed or fail, is a learning experience. It adds a new tool to your toolkit and makes you more capable and more valuable for the next challenge. The more problems you solve, the better you get at solving them. It's a powerful feedback loop that builds on itself. Start small. You don't have to solve world hunger tomorrow. Look for problems in your own life, at your job, in your community. Maybe it's streamlining a workflow at the office, or creating a resource for your neighborhood, or helping a friend with the challenge they're facing. Each small win builds your confidence and your reputation as a problem solver. Remember, the size of the problem you solve directly corresponds to the size of your opportunity. Small problems lead to small rewards. Big, complex problems can lead to life-changing rewards. This is why entrepreneurs who tackle massive global issues like transportation, communication, or clean energy can build incredible wealth. They are creating value on a massive scale, impacting millions, or even billions, of lives. But you don't need to be the next Elon Musk or Steve Jobs to make a significant impact. Start where you are. with what you have. Identify a problem within your sphere of influence, your industry, your workplace, your local community, and dedicate yourself to solving it better than anyone else. Every solution you create sends out ripples, opening doors to new opportunities you can't even imagine yet. So, if you're feeling stuck, if you want more out of your career, your business, or your life, stop chasing titles, stop chasing money, and stop chasing praise. Instead, start chasing problems. Become obsessed with finding solutions. Shift your focus from what you can get to what you can give. Because at the end of the day, success doesn't find the dreamers who just wish for a better future. It finds the doers, the innovators, the builders, the problem solvers who are actively creating it. Thank you so much for watching. If this idea resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build a more successful life. See you in the next one.